kind of this box. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're gonna film this little corner. It's another corner. This is kind of in a part of Macau that I generally don't go to. So we're gonna go up the escalator, and then we're going to, so we're gonna basically go up that way. So we're gonna see what we can see once we get up to the top there. But once we get up to the top, we should be able to see whatever we're missing up there. Okay, so now we kind of come up to this thing that's like kind of this box. Yeah, kind of interesting. So yeah, we basically have this, let's go over this way. So over here we have the Red Market, and the Red Market, there's used to be a dog race track over there. And then this side, it's kind of a cool looking architectural building, and this yellow building way up there is IFT, Institute of Fashion Technology. And then you kind of got a mountainside up there. And that's kind of interesting up there too. You can see this, some people up there at the top of this hill. I don't think I've ever been up there. It's amazing. It's amazing there's enough stuff in Macau that you'd think that you've seen it all, and actually you haven't. Pretty wild. There's another building over here. I have walked by that one before. Huh. Okay. That Red Market is where you get all this kind of fresh meats and things like that at. Okay. So just another little slice of Macau for you. I think I'll just end this one right here. This is probably good enough. This is just kind of this four-corner intersection area.